Today we're going to tackle subways in a highly suggested video of how germy is it. First we'll get the subway turnstiles. We'll get this part and this part where you slide the card and put it on a petri dish. And we'll get a sample from the handles, this one down low and this one up high. Get one of the seat and of course the floor. Here's the subway turnstile. Here's the subway handle low. And here's the subway handle up high. Here's the seat. And clearly the winner is the subway floor. Let us know what you think in the comments.